The top-rated refrigerator water filters available at Claterans have been tested and certified by NSF International and IAPMO against NSF, ANSI standards 42. Such as Claterans CLRF10 LG refrigerator water filter LT1000P replacement, Claterans CLRF04 LT700P LG refrigerator water filter, Claterans CLRF03 replacement for refrigerator water filter DA290020B and Claterans CLZ010 replacement for DA290003B water filter. They are made up of coconut-activated carbon filters which are filled with black carbon granules. The carbon is the major force to remove particles, contaminants and odor in the refrigerator water. When water runs through a newly installed refrigerator filter, some bits of loose carbon will be flushed out, thus the water may have some tiny black specks or in cloudy or gray color. So, it is advisable to run 3 to 5 gallons of water through the fridge filter before using it for household purposes. This ensures all the loose carbon is flushed out of the filter. How to flush your refrigerator water filter. Step 1. Prepare a large pitcher or a container which fits well into the water dispenser. Place a large cloth or towel on the floor next to the refrigerator to absorb the water spills. Step 2. Put the container under the water spout. Press the dispenser button to fill the container. Step 3. Pour the water directly down the drain. You can also collect the water for watering plants. They will benefit from these tiny black specks. Step 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3 after running 3 to 5 gallons of water. You'd better dispense water every week to ensure a continual fresh supply.